In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a project timeline. If you manage work in Asana and need a clean snapshot of your schedule to share with teammates or stakeholders, this quick walkthrough will help you capture exactly what you see on screen and turn it into a polished printout or a PDF. Start by opening your project in Asana and switching to the Timeline tab. The Timeline view lays out your tasks along a calendar, showing start and due dates, dependencies, and overall flow. Give it a moment to load fully so all tasks and bars appear. It helps to make sure you're in the correct project and that the timeline is the focal view, since what's visible here is precisely what will be captured. Next, adjust your view so the entire time frame you care about fits on your screen. Use Ctrl and minus on Windows or CMD and minus on Mac to zoom out. The goal is to bring the full span, whether that's a few weeks or several months, into a single readable frame. If text becomes too small, nudge the zoom back in a step with Ctrl or CMD, and plus until task names and dates are still legible. You can also scroll horizontally in the timeline first, then fine-tune your zoom so the beginning and end of your intended period are visible edge to edge. With the timeline framed correctly, open your print dialog. On Windows, press Ctrl and P. On a Mac, press CMD and P. Your system will generate a preview based on exactly what's on your screen. Take a second to confirm that the preview reflects the full time frame and layout you just prepared. If it doesn't, cancel, adjust your zoom or scroll position in Asana, and open the print dialog again. Finally, choose how you want to output the timeline. In the destination or printer field, select Save as PDF to create a shareable file, or pick your physical printer if you need a hard copy. Saving to PDF is handy for emailing, attaching to briefs, or archiving a version of the plan. If you are printing on paper, consider that wider pages often display Gantt-style timelines more clearly. Many printers also allow landscape orientation and margin adjustments in the same dialog, which can improve readability. Before you finish, glance at the preview one last time to ensure your chosen time frame and labels look the way you expect. And that's it. Open the project and timeline, zoom to fit the time frame, open the print dialog, and choose PDF or your printer. You now have a clear, shareable snapshot of your plan.